Welcome. Now, recently, the exam which was scheduled for 15th of January 2025 has been postponed. The morning shift exam would happen on 21st of January and the evening shift exam would happen on 27th of January. So, here is the list of papers which have shifted for 21st and 27th. Now, the answer keys and the provisional answer keys, even for challenge, would be definitely open only after 27th. So, students, those who have already appeared for the examination, would have to wait for the final results to come. Coming on to the subjects that have been pending now, there is a huge list of subjects mainly pertaining to environmental science, folk literature, tribal studies, criminology, IKS, then labor welfare, personal management. In the evening shift, it's mass comm, performing arts, electronic science, women studies as some of the major papers. Now, if you go on to the content for practice for the past papers, you would find extensive content on IKS, law, criminology, labor welfare. Then you have mass communication, women studies, performing arts. All of these are available here. So, in case you have any questions or queries, you can actually connect with us on the number below. Also, PYQs are available for most of the subjects here. So, you can simply go on to the PYQs, get in an understanding of how the question paper is like and how to appear for the examination. Moreover, if you have any queries regarding your net examination, we would be covering those before your next net cycle, that is in the June. Also, the questions and topics which are relevant for your higher studies and computer science, mainly pertaining to these two sections, environment as well, we are covering on regular basis. So those students who are subscribed would have a regular access to the content and information. Recently we had a national hub which has been declared as ISER Pune, which is very important. So highly upcoming topic for your next examination. All these list of topics we have already covered in the latest expected set of questions for your higher education. So don't miss that video. Thanks for joining in, and we'll be coming up for more subjects. Have a wonderful day.